Hello everyone, this is my sixth video which includes revision classes on computer managed maintenance system and machine tool foundation of the subject maintenance of machine tools, okay, for 6th semester MTT students. So in this video I am going to explain some questions of the question bank questions only. Okay, so we'll start with first question. Explain computer managed maintenance system. Okay, how that computer is to be managed in maintenance system, how it helps, we'll see here. With the introduction of computers in maintenance, computer managed maintenance system was started with the terminology as computer managed maintenance system. CMMS is powerful tool for enhancing reliability efforts and improving return on investment. Okay, that is wrong. The CMMS is making use of computers for quickly and efficiently deciding, planning and organizing various jobs for effective systematic plant maintenance. In today's age of industrialization, the different types of industries use huge amount of money, as you know already, on men and materials to get a useful work, as you know already from the previous subjects. Okay, and to manage these, proper management technique is needed for efficient and profitable operations. CMMS is used for this. Main benefits of CMMS is first, reduction in machine breakdowns and other machine outages and increased plant availability and reliability. Second, reduction in overtime and optimum utilization of the manpower. Lower maintenance operating costs. Third, improved control over this PM and PDM scheduling. Longer asset machine life, better inventory management, quicker access to the plant maintenance or facilities, maintenance statistics, okay, and also ISO 9000 accreditation oriented. Okay, so these all things are to be considered in computer managed maintenance systems. This is regarding explanation of CMMS. Okay, next question. Explain approach towards computerization. How that approach is to be done for the computerization, we'll see here. In big existing plant industry, it is not essential to computerize all the departments and areas at one stroke. Rather, we can take up some critical areas computerized and achieve desired results. We can then take other areas computerized and integrate with previously computerized areas. Thus, gradually we can cover the whole plant industry. The gradual computerization will give us confidence, scope of removing shortcomings and introducing the refinements. The same computer system should not be used for maintenance as well as for other jobs like finance and sales, etc., as maintenance would get low priority in that case. Instead, a dedicated machine of appropriate configuration should be used for maintenance functions. Likewise, that approach of the computerization can be maintained. Third question. Explain the scope of computerization. What is the scope of computerization? We'll see here. Computerization, that is computer managed maintenance system, may covers the total maintenance managed system, which includes all the things can be carried out by the computer system itself only. Some of the branches or subsystems that can be covered in CMMS like are equipment classification information, second maintenance planning, material planning, capture engineering shop planning, inventory controls, downtime information, analysis can be maintained, work order management, maintenance cost, and ninth, maintenance audit and performance measurement, etc. For affecting computerization in above mentioned branches, some master files are to be developed, such as equipment facilities, master equipment services instruction file, cost counterwise equipment summary files, maintenance staff, craftsman masters, inspection checklist master, equipment spares catalogs. Likewise, that scope of computerization can be implemented. So this is all about explanation regarding scope of computerization. These two questions may ask for 5 or 10 marks. Fourth, explain the material management module. What is material management module? Okay, and what is the use? We'll see in this slide. Material management is the responsibility of material management department. In any big plant, it is equally important for maintenance persons, as availability of equipments depends substantially on the timely availability of the quality spares, tools, tackles, consumables, etc. As such, material management module is included in CMMS and works in conjunction with plants material management department with focus on material management activities. Following areas are emphasized in this module, like cataloging of the spares and consumables, and classification and codification of the spares components. Fourth, requirement planning and indents generation, tender offers, evaluation and recommendations, monitoring of the purchase indents and purchase orders. Okay, likewise that this material management module is to be maintained. Okay, these all conditions are very much important: cataloging of the spares, compilations, classifications and codification, components, requirements and indent generations, tender offerings, monitoring purchasing indents. Okay, likewise you have to write the explanation regarding this material management module. Then next question, list the factors to be considered for machine tool foundation plans. Answer: the main factors that need consideration for machine tool foundation are as follows: weight of the machine. The primary factor that needs considerations for determining the foundation of the machine is the weight of the machine. First, we need to weight of the machines. The heavier the machine, the greater is the load falling on the foundation. Thus, stronger foundations are needed for heavier machine tools. Then second, horsepower to be transmitted. The depth of the foundation increases with an increase in the horsepower of the machine. So here formula for this one, df into hp into n, where n is a constant and the value of the n varies with machine to be installed. bearing capacity of the soil is to be identified. The complete weight of the machine tool to be and foundation falls on the soil. The maximum load that a soil is capable of withstanding. Thus, this is an important factor in the foundation design for a machine tool. Bearing capacity varies with the type of soil. Engine speed. The foundation design for a machine tool also varies with the engines. So these are the some lists which are considered for machine tool foundation. Next, explain the machine tool foundation. Okay, what are the how that machine tool foundation is to be considered during considerations, what criteria are to be taking place, that we are going to see in this slide. The foundation of machine tool can be said to be the structure that serves as a base for its installation and provides normal conditions for the operation of the machine tool at all static and dynamic load involved. The designed support of the machine tool service serves the following functions, like it supports the whole weight of the machine tool. It helps in keeping the machine tool properly aligned with all its mechanism. Third, it acts as a source for absorbing all the vibrations produced by unbalanced forces in machine tools. Fourth, it helps in maintaining a proper working height for the operators. Fifth, it provides normal working conditions. So these all functions regarding machine tool foundation. Okay, considerations are to be considered in machine tool foundation. So this is explanation of machine tool foundation. Next question, make a use of sketch and explain machine tool foundation. Okay, with the help of that sketch, machine tool foundation can be explained. Okay, so this is a sketch, brief sketch regarding machine tool foundation. Okay, first, spare parts data entry and updation. Okay, and material requirement planning arrangements are to be checking, requirements are needed, material requirement approach, vendors revamping and inquiry regarding the essential product productions, purchase the orders, status monitorings. Likewise, all the things are to be considered in one lines. Okay, this round figure shows that all aspects, and in between this middle, that materials data, specifications, item replacements, characteristics, and vendors data, operating data, work orders, machine parts, structures, requirements, purchase orders, delivers, dues, histories. Likewise, you have to collect all the datas. Okay, so that's why this block diagram will shows the machine tool foundation in briefly with a sketch. So this is some explanation regarding that machine tool foundation. So tool can be said to be the structure that served as a base for its installation and provides normal conditions for the operations for the machine tool at all static and dynamic loads involved. The designed support of the machine tool serves the following functions. Which are those functions? We'll see here. Supports the whole weight of the machine tool. Second, it helps in keeping the machine tool properly aligned with all its mechanisms. It acts as a source for absorbing all the vibrations produced by unbalanced forces in machine tools. Fourth, it helps in maintaining a proper working height for the operators. It provides normal working conditions. So this is explanation for sketch as well as machine tool foundation explanation. Okay, so this may ask for 10 marks questions. You have to practice this sketch and write the explanation this much. Okay, so this carries 10 marks. So these are the some theory questions which may comes for your forthcoming semester exams. Okay, so that's why you have to refer this video for your better betterment for your study. These all questions comes for your questions may. Okay, so that's why we are telling you have to refer the notes as well as this video, which improves your study pattern. So this is regarding your 6th unit. Okay, so from this video you are going to understand various concepts of machine tool foundations. Okay, so very much important. In exam he may ask from these questions list only. Okay, so thank you.